Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Mom, are you still upset? I thought you understood.
I understand.
So why are you just walking away?
Because there's nothing to talk about.
Not to even give me a hug or to congratulate me.
Are you afraid I'll see through you as you sit across from her at the same table?
And what do you seem to achieve? Say if I was still in love with her, what would you do about it?
That's not fair, and you know it.
What's not fair is with you pushing her into our lives with every little opportunity. I don't get it.
Because I want you to tell me that I'm wrong.
Marjorie, I married you, and that speaks volumes.
Are you sure you don't want me to come with you? I don't trust that stranger.
Mom, I'll be fine. Winifred is just a friend, and she has been helping me around here. Oh, Winnie, so sorry. I didn't know I'll take this long. You must be bored out of your mind.
It's okay.
But I'm going to have my ultrasound now. Do you want to come look at my baby?
Of course. Yes.
Michael, it's almost 1 p.m. Mama hasn't eaten. Do you think we are going to get a result anytime soon?
Let's just give it a few more minutes, alright? If it's not ready by then, we can go. I'll stay behind and collect it for you.
Thank you.
Let's get a pie or something. I'm very hungry.
Sure.
Wow. That's your baby's head.
Wow.
That's your baby's leg.
Wow.
That's the heartbeat.
I couldn't wait to have you here.
Zach should have been here. He can't miss this.
I know. Please, can I have my phone?
Sure.
Thank you. Hi, babe. Wow. Yeah, I'm at the hospital now, and I'm looking at the baby. Don't worry, I'll send you a photo. Alright. Bye.
You know, I can take the photo for you.
When did you get a phone?
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
That?
I bought it with the advance you gave me.
Oh, Winnie.
And I even have a new number as well. Because I didn't register the old SIM, I couldn't retrieve that number. So I had to cut a new SIM.
Shame on you.
So let's take the photo.
Please let me clean the stomach.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Smile.
Oh, that's nice. All right, take a picture of.
I think this looks good.
Send them to me. Oh.
Sure, I will.
Thank you.
Everything looks great here.
Thank you.
You have nothing to worry about.
I must be doing something right.
Yeah, definitely. The baby is here to stay.
Thank God.
You know, this is great news. We have to celebrate.
We should. Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Hope to see you in our next appointment.
You will. You will definitely see me.
Yo. What's up? Okay, good. Oh, now we still there around. Oh, okay. Alright.
Was that him?
Yeah. I think it's ready. Let's go.
Okay. Michael, that is my sister. Winifred.
Look, I am tired.
Michael, she needs to know that Mama is sick.
Will she even care?
I don't know, but let's see. We need to find her.
We have to go.
I am not leaving, okay? Knowing that she might be somewhere around here.
Well, I thought you stopped looking for her.
Yes, I did. But I can't just turn away knowing that she lands on my laps.
And what are you gonna do when you find her? She's not gonna go willingly with you to seek help just because you say so.
I don't know, Michael. But maybe when she knows that Mama is sick, she will come.
Are you guys not safe without her?
Mike, I need help. I can't take care of Mama all by myself.
Well, then get some work.
Michael, how much would that fetch me? To pay for school and to take care of the house? Huh? I am not arguing with you whilst I know that she might be somewhere around. Michael.
What?
We should have just stayed a bit close. She wouldn't have gone far.
Okay, why don't you just go ahead and let me have this? Right, I'll go hand it over to your mother's doctor and then help get her some food. You can join us later after you found your sister, alright?
Michael!
Ceci, take a break, okay?
Okay, sir.
I'm serious, take a break. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What do you want me to do now?
It's her. I saw her. What?
I am late. I have to go home.
You're supposed to help me look for her. That is what you're supposed to do.
But I am tired.
Tired of what?
That's your sister. Hurry.
Winifred! Winifred!
Winifred. Who's that girl? She is trying to tell you something.
She's a client of mine. Yeah, I know her, but let's go.
Are you sure? Maybe she has some good work for you.
As if that one can pay me.
Okay.
Let's go.
Winifred!
So, where do you want to go?
What do you mean by that?
I'm taking you out for once, you know. We have a lot to celebrate. The baby's growing and everything's good.
I thought you said you were coming with us.
I did. When?
When you sat in my car, you told me you were coming with us.
With you and who?
Winifred, were you even listening to anything I was saying?
I'm so sorry. I guess I must have been distracted. You know, I was in a hurry to get out of there. You know I hate hospitals.
But you told me it was perfectly fine. You should have said something.
Of course not. I'm here to support you in any way I can. Even if it means facing my fear of hospitals.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what are we meeting?
Oh, my friend Valerie. Her wedding is soon and we've not gotten anywhere. We have a lot to catch up with.
So does that mean I can't get you for even 1 hour all to myself?
What do you have in mind?
I just want to treat you.
Oh, Winifred. You're so sweet. Thank you. But I'm very tired.
Okay.
And to be honest, I've kept Valerie waiting and I am so exhausted. Okay? So we can do it some other time. Alright?
Sure.
Oh my god.
Why? What is it?
I need to find somewhere to park. My mother-in-law, I told her I won't be late for lunch. She would kill me. Alright. She never understands anything. Hi, Mom. Oh, sorry. I didn't know I was going to be this late. Okay. Please keep some food for me. I'll be in for supper. Alright. Okay, bye.
My friend is getting married. My friend is getting married. Whose friend is getting married? Whose best friend is getting married?
She's so much crazy. Look at her.
My best friend is getting married.
Sit down.
My best friend is getting married. Whose best friend is getting married?
Don't mind me. She did worse when I was getting married. You have no idea. She actually stood on the table.
What? And the restaurant didn't complain about all of this?
They had to get people to throw her out. Literally.
We were actually too drunk to care about anything.
Aw, sorry I can't get drunk with you.
Don't worry, I'll be drinking on our behalf.
Please do. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Oh, congratulations.
Anyway, I'll stop throwing jealous jabs between you and Zach because Joshua is so amazing.
He is. You know we have like the best men.
Yes, we so do.
Oh, we are lucky.
Yeah, can I have the mixed grill with the beef fried rice?
I'm okay. Zach's mom is cooking and I don't want to skip her meal. She's already a handful for Winifred.
But that's okay. I'm used to old women and their fussiness.
Oh.
When did she come in?
She came... That was yesterday. He insisted that Zach needs to come back before she goes.
Because she doesn't trust me.
You're so lucky. At least your mother-in-law loves you to the bits.
You have a good mother-in-law too.
Well, as a matter of fact, my weird episodes with Marjorie looks like it's coming to an end.
What do you mean by that?
She's been acting really strange lately after the travel. I mean, she's been checking up on me now and then. We're actually having dinner tonight with them.
Them?
Yes, myself, Joshua, and the entire parents.
That's going to be some way.
I tell you. So the main event, what is the meeting for? Are we having a big wedding? A small wedding? I have no idea. What are we doing?
What do you mean by that? We're having a big wedding. Have you forgotten you're getting married to a governor's son? Hey. Wait. Have you guys fixed the date yet?
Date's not actually. We're actually looking at 3 months from now.
That's going to be the best months in my life. At least I'll have something proper and good to wear. You know.
Yes. Hello.
Oh,
Hi.
Mwah. Look at you.
How are you, Valerie? Hey.
Hello.
We haven't been keeping you waiting, have we?
Oh, we were here early. Festus is like a clock.
Ha! Well, I think it's a lovely evening.
Yes, it is.
We have the opportunity to get used to that year of becoming one big family.
Sure, and I think we should do a lot more of this after the wedding. Speaking of weddings, where is your groom, Valerie?
He's gonna be here soon.
Oh, here he is.
Oh,
Everybody, sorry I'm late.
That's my groom, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry I'm late.
So, on that note, why don't we all make our orders? Cause it takes forever to get anything around here.
Or anywhere for that matter.
Waiter. Get us the best of champagne. Cause this occasion calls for the best of everything.
so, straight to the point. Do we have a date set yet? I hope this isn't going to be a long engagement.
Marjorie, why don't you wait till everybody settled down?
I don't see anybody standing.
Okay, we're looking at 3 months stops from now.
That's reasonable.
And you have your mums here to take care of all the details. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Can you believe it? Our babies are all grown up and getting married. Where does the time go?
Isn't that a miracle?
Certainly is.
Oh, champagne, brilliant.
So what are we thinking? Church wedding, garden, any ideas?
We haven't had time to think about it yet.
Well, I would prefer the garden though.
You would? Well, I don't mind.
I think you two should really think about what you want. Because this is going to be one of the most important decisions you make in your life. And you've got to get it right.
Oh, I agree. You know, Festus, this takes me back to our wedding. Oh, I planned that thing to the letter. I dare say it's still the talk of the town.
Mom, it's 30 years, please.
It's true. It was a very classy wedding. I remember. Trust me, your mom knows how to get what she wants.
Enough about old weddings. This is to new ones and a new beginning. I wish them the best of everything. I wish this union will bring good tidings to all of us.
Woo!
This evening is not just about us celebrating the beautiful union between our children. Truly, we've known each other over decades, for all reasons, good and bad. Over the years, we've barely been able to remain civil with one another.
What are you doing?
I believe that without honestly confronting our setbacks, it'll be impossible for us to forge together as a perfect family which this marriage affords. Betsy, I hope we can press past our differences and let the past remain in the past.
What is she talking about?
No idea.
You know, I truly
The
believe
past
that...
has never been a problem, has it?
Really, Betsy? Are you sure about that?
Why are you thinking otherwise? We ended up pretty good, didn't we?
Mom, what's going on?
Really, Betsy? So you haven't been trying to fit your schedule into my husband's program?
Mom?
Marjorie, are you out of your mind?
Why don't you let her answer that, Festus? You know, I really think that we're trying to forge a new beginning here. And we can't do that bearing grudges. Now, if everyone else wants to sit here pretending that everything is all right, well, I'm not.
No, Marjorie. I don't have the luxury of pushing dates to get a glimpse of your husband. If you don't know, I have his number. I can choose to call and see him whenever I want. And that's not changing because our children are getting married. We're even going to be more closer than before.
As in-laws.
That's right.
Hey, what's going on?
Excuse me. I'll be out there.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to protect my family.
Excuse me.
Mom.
I have to go and talk to your dad.
Should I come with?
No, that's all right. Enjoy your evening. Good night, Festus.
Good night, Betsy.
If there's anything more to enjoy. But then I'm really sorry about this.
That's all right, darling. You know what they say. Idle hands are the devil's work tools. And your mother needs to get busy.
Like how you've been busy eyeing my husband all night?
Mom?
Oh, shoot.
What?
I have to go with my parents. I forgot I came with them. That's if my dad hasn't left yet. I'll see you later, or whenever. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Bossman, for the evening.
Excuse me. Josh, would you settle the bills? Excuse me.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to